stream that. Let's see. Done. Okay. Then it's fine. Honorable members and members who are honorable, I think on my side, I have done what I had to do, so we can officially start with our lesson for today. Once again, a very warm welcome to my lesson for today, where we are going to be looking at your mathematics, and this is lesson 3 of our online maths camp. So let's see, guys, is everything okay now? Yiko. Can you guys see my screen? I'm pretty much sure that you can be able to clearly hear me.
Yes, sir.
Is everything clear at this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then it's fine. It is fine. I'll just do that. Okay, honorable members, without any waste of our precious time, I think we can very quickly look into these questions. I will let me do that. I just want to create myself some space there. Okay, so what I wanted to say, honorable members, I will go straight into it. We will just learn as we work out these problems. But where? Oh, there. Whoa, okay, but it is fine. So let's see, honorable members. We are given an exam question there, which is question number 6, where we are given a statement which reads as follows. The diagram below shows a cup with a volume of 117 pi centimeter cube and an inner diameter of 60 millimeters. Ignore the thickness of the cup. We are given the volume, and in addition to that, we are given the diameter of that inner cup. What follows after the diagram is the question. So we've got 2 questions there, where the first question they say, calculate the height of the cup. And you are not given any formulas there. So that means it is expected of you to know the formula to calculate the volume. From that formula, you can easily be able to calculate the height. I'll just give you guys an example, just in case if you are wondering how we work out this type of questions. It's not something where we might need to firstly teach you, but it is those basics that you learn from primary. To say, if this is a shape and they say the area of this, let's say it is 2 meters squared, and they tell you that this side, maybe let's not say 2, but let me say 8. And they say this side, it is 2 meters. And now they're asking, what is that side? The area of that rectangle is 8 meters squared. The other side is 2 meters. The other side is unknown. So now they want to know what is the length of that other side. it remains your responsibility to know that the formula for the area says length times breadth, which means according to the information that we are given, the area is 8. The length is represented by x there. The breadth we are given, it is 2. So for us to calculate x, how about we divide by 2 so that we remove that 2, and then the x value will then be equals to 8 divided by 2, which is 4, and the unit is meters. So that's how you calculate the unknown distance or length. Maybe let me check. Did you guys understand my example before I give you an opportunity to work out that question 6? Guys, did you understand my example?
Yes, sir.
There is a yes. I saw someone has reacted. Okay, then it is fine. I hope you guys did understand that. There is a yes coming through. Okay, then it's fine. So now let us come back to that question over there. We'll just do that and give you guys an opportunity to work it out. And this question is allocated 3 marks. They want the height of the cup. Maybe let me quickly go to settings. I think I want to go to settings. Not there. Maybe let me stop that. I want to go to settings so that I can set this thing not to switch off. It was on low power mode. Okay, I think now it's sorted. Let me share my screen, start broadcast. So now they started broadcasting. And let's go back to the question. So guys, you've got 3 minutes to work it out. And then from there, I will then check with you guys if you've got the answers for me. Let me just mute. Okay. Let's see what answers you guys are getting there. Anyone who's got an answer for me? Let's see. Ask all to unmute. Guys, have you got some answers for me on that one. Anyone who's got an answer? Or are you still working on it? Guys, are you still working on it? Let me check. If you guys are still able to hear me, ask all to unmute. Guys, are you still working on it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Then it's fine. As soon as you are done, it's okay. You will then, I think on this one, whoever is done, you can just unmute yourself and say, I'm done. No, don't say I'm done, but mention your name. Guys, are you still working on it?
Sir, you want the height, sir?
Not me, but the question wants the height, honorable member.
Sir, can I try?
Have you worked on it already, or you want to start working on it?
No, I've already worked it out, sir.
Goodest. Who's speaking now?
Mandlonke, sir.
Oh, Mendlong. Okay, Mendlonge, let's go for it. You can explain what you've done.
Okay, sir. They already gave us the necessary data, and they said the inner diameter, they said it was 60 millimeters. I converted that to centimeters, so I can calculate the radius, which the
Okay.
formula of the radius is R equals to diameter over 2, which is 6/2, making the radius 3 centimeters.
Which is that But before we get to that, someone might be interested to know, how did you convert it from millimeters to centimeters?
To convert millimeters to centimeters. Oh, sorry.
Yes. Wenze kanjani?
So it was easy. All I had to do. Oh. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry. In order to convert millimeters into centimeters, one centimeter is actually equivalent to 10 millimeters. So what I did, I said 60 millimeters divided by 10, which would give us 6 centimeters.
Divided by 10, which will give us
6 centimeters.
Oh,
Since
see.
1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. Am I making sense?
You are making, but wait. We are moving from millimeters to centimeters.
I wanted to calculate the radius first, because there's a formula for calculating the volume. Then I'm gonna use it to calculate that. Then I used it to calculate the height.
But wait, honorable member. To move from millimeters to centimeters, are you sure we don't divide by 100?
No, sir. It's always 10. Like on a ruler, you'll always see 60 millimeters, which is the same as 6 centimeters.
Okay. Then let's check with the other honorable members just to confirm that. Ask all to unmute. Okay, guys, what do you know about conversions for
I have class today. They are cheating.
So you have to divide by 10 from millimeters to centimeters.
Okay, from millimeters to meters, we divide by?
No. To centimeters, sir.
That's what I said.
Okay. And then from millimeters to meters?
Divide by 100.
100.
Hey, why is it like my young sisters are not I think I need to throw the bones here, honorable members. From millimeters to meters by 100.
No, so it's not 100, it's 1,000. It's 1,000, sir.
Yes, then from millimeters to centimeters, it has to be, is it not 100?
No,
No,
sir,
sir,
it's 10.
Yeah, I think I need to throw the bones. Yeah, no, I think the bones are agreeing. The bones are agreeing. We divide by 10. Okay, then it's fine. So now we divide that by 10. Oh, yes. That's when we move from centimeters to meters. We divide by 100, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. No. Now we are on the same page. Yeah, I think this bones expired, man. Okay, then it's fine. From there, we are having 6.
6 over
We
2.
are having 6 that we divided by 2, ne?
Yes, sir. And the radius will be 3 centimeters.
3 centimeters. Yes, okay.
Yeah.
And then from there,
Then they already gave us the volume, which was 117 pi. So what I did,
yeah.
I remember the formula where it said volume equals to pi r squared times height. So what I did, I rearranged the formula to solve for h. By doing that, I divided the volume by pi r squared times h on both sides. Or sorry, just pi r squared for both sides.
Yeah. So meaning you are having h, we see, you just tell me if I'm representing you correctly there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So then, sir, then h equals to 117 pi over 9 pi multiplied by 3 squared, which is the same thing as pi multiplied by 9.
Oh, yes. Yes. Okay.
So, sir, I also
Evan,
said
that cancels with that most.
yes, sir, which will be 117
Then we just
divided
have
by 9.
that.
Yes.
Bese,
Then you say 117 divided by 9, which will give you 13.
Is it 13 or 13
Just
comma
13.
something?
Just 13.
Okay. The units.
That's the final answer. Oh, I didn't it right. Yo.
Yeah, so what will then be the units?
So isn't it what is this? So isn't it centimeters?
Yeah, centimeters. No, you have moved it, honorable member. I think you have nailed it. Anyone who wants to rise on a point of order to present a motion of no confidence against that answer? Or are we all on the same page with Mendlonke on that one? Masabata Manji. Masabata has. Oh, there is Teifara. Say Teifara is there. Yeah. Ko. Dineo Rakulolo. Guys, are we in agreement, all of us, on that one? Yebono Maka. Anyone who's got a different answer? Or are we all on the same page on that one? Guys, are we all on the same page on that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. So very quickly, let's look at the next question. Let's see. Yes, very quickly, let's look at the next question. Maybe let me mute. Not that, but what I do. Let's see. Okay. The next question says total surface area of the water that touches the cup if the cup is 80% full with water. Yeah, that's what we want you to calculate. The total surface area of the water that touches the cup if the cup is 80% full with water. So it's like you pour water in that same glass, but 80% full. So they want to know the total surface area. So in case if you've got no idea of where to start, let me know and I will guide you in terms of where to start in order to work it out. Only if you've got no idea, but if you do have an idea of where to start, then there won't be a need to unmute and let me know if you've got no idea.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this question, sir, what do we have to calculate? What exactly must we calculate?
Okay. You see there, this is what they want you to calculate.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
Yes. Then it's fine. I will also give you some time on this one. Let me give you 4 minutes. Along the way, in case if you've got no idea of where to start, unmute, make me aware, and somehow I will guide you in terms of what to do. Just like the honorable member there who asked what exactly needs to be calculated, it is clarified that the total surface area is what they want you to calculate. So that means you must know what the formula is for the total surface area. If you do not know what the formula is, rather check it in the textbook or very quickly Google it to see how it looks like, and then you take it from there. That means you need to know what that shape is. If you know what that shape is, you will then say the formula for the total surface area of a so that you know what the total surface area for that shape of why is it like there's someone who's trying to call me? Okay, anyone who's done? Or are you still working on it? Guys, anyone who is done, or are you still working on it? Hmm? Okay, let me check. I'm just having a feeling that you guys are still working on it. Let's see. Guys, how is it going that side? Are you getting the answer, or is it difficult?
I'm still working on it, sir.
Okay, still working
Still
on it, then
working.
it's fine. I'll give you guys some extra time to work on it. When you are done, it's okay. Just unmute yourself and then you'll let me know if you are done, just like Men Longe did the first time. Yeah, maybe let me mute myself in the meantime. I also want to Hayi, libandla kaNkulunkulu. Are you still working on it? Hmm?
Right. So if no one else is gonna say anything, then can I give my answer?
Yeah, now let's go for it, honorable members. It seems like no one is brave enough to say, I want to give it a try. And let's see. Okay. Go for it, Mendlonke. What have you done there?
So first things first, since they said it was only 80% full, not 100%,
Mm,
which means I had to tell the
mm,
13 centimeters, I had to multiply the 13 centimeters by
mm.
0.8, which gave me
Let's see.
10.4
Okay.
centimeters.
Okay, so let's see. So you're saying from uh, that height, which was equals to 13.
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing to that?
I multiplied it by 0.8 since they said if the water level is 80%, then that means I have to multiply by 0.8 in order to get the water level height.
So in other words, what you did was to multiply it by 80%, which is 80 out of 100, as a decimal is 0.8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means what you did there was to actually try to reduce that height from a full height of that to an 80% height.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Goodest. Trust me, my bones are now the latest. I've updated my bones and I have Okay, let's continue, Mendlonke. I'm in agreement
So,
with you on that one.
so what you're gonna get, the water level height will be 10.4 centimeters. If you
Okay, 10,4
centimeters.
centimeters. Okay.
So now what they're asking us is the total surface area. So
Mm,
what you need is the bottom surface area plus the
mm.
curved surface area.
Yes, yes. The bottom surface area. I hope everyone is listening, Mendlonke, because you are releasing valid points there, honorable members. The base area and the curved. Okay,
Yes.
what am I
So
writing, Mendlonke?
so sir, I also wanna so sir, in order to get the bottom surface area, all you have
Mm.
to say is pi multiplied by radius to the power of 2, which is the same thing as pi multiplied by 3, since we already got the radius to the power of 2.
Maybe let's start with the formula. I just want to
All right.
know what to write, Mendlonke. Can I
Oh, sorry, sir.
say SA, it is equals to, just so that we formalize it?
So this is the bottom surface area.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you want me to
Let's
calculate the
see.
total surface area, just the total surface area? Oh,
I wanted to say, let's say if we say the total surface area,
oh, okay.
if it's
I hear you,
equals
sir.
to the bottom, then we add it to the curved.
Oh, I hear you, sir. Okay. It's actually pi ara to the power of 2
Okay.
plus
Mm-hmm.
2 pi ara multiplied by height.
My bones are full. Okay, must go back.
So you're gonna say pi multiplied by 3 squared.
Okay, where is the 3 coming from again?
Remember, sir, we calculated the radius before in the previous
Oh,
question when we were
yeah.
calculating the height.
Yes,
Next,
okay, then it's fine. Must go back.
next, we're gonna do the same thing, plus 2
Mm.
pi 3 multiplied by 10,4. Since we calculated the height
This one I remember.
of the water.
This one I remember where it's coming from. Okay.
So in total, so if you want it to be simplified, then you're gonna say 28.27.
Okay. The other maybe advice on this one, Mandy, is to just punch all of that. Because if you do that section, you're going to round it off. You do that, you round it off, and then
okay, so
we
it's
lose.
just gonna be It's gonna be 234.67 centimeters.
Weight
34.
234.
Yes, 67.
234, you say, ne?
67 meters.
67
centimeters.
Centimeters.
That's the surface area of the water that is in contact with the cup.
Okay, just I'm very much impressed by your approach. First thing first, I'm very much impressed that you were brave enough to take it on. And trust me, I'm not going to give it to anyone else to shine on your intelligence there, honorable member. So let's just discuss a few things, Mendlonke. The first one is to say, what is the unit for area? Because that doesn't matter. This is total, this is surface. But what is the unit for calculating the area?
As in not the total surface, just the area.
Yeah, well, just the area, because that it doesn't matter.
Well, sir, it actually depends. The unit of the so it's usually in square units, such as square units, millimeters squared, or square centimeters squared. It just depends on what it just depends on what you're given. It could be millimeters squared, it could be kilometers squared, etc.
Yeah. So on this one, is it centimeters or centimeters squared?
Just centimeters. We're not calculating the area. We're calculating the total surface area.
Okay. You sound confident on this one. Let's maybe try to work it out until you are fully convinced as to what exactly should be there. So just this alone, what will be the unit for this part alone?
The pi r squared, sir.
Yes.
Won't that just be what what I got for that was won't it just be centimeters squared, sir?
Yes, you are right. So it is centimeters squared. What will be the units for just that part?
2 pi r squared. 2 pi r
yes.
h, sir.
I mean the unit. Will it be centimeter or will it be centimeter squared?
Centimeter. Centimeter. Is also the unit of 2 pi r h is also square units, such as square centimeters.
So that means you are adding a centimeter squared with a centimeter squared, and it will result as a centimeter squared. So that means this also should be a centimeter squared.
Yeah, sir, I'm sure about my answer. I'm just not sure, but I'm just not really good with the units.
Yeah, okay, no, I see. So let's make a conclusion on this one. Mendlonge, to say what we are actually calculating there, it is the area. What type of the area? The surface area. So that word of total and surface, it doesn't influence the unit of what we are calculating there. So I just want you to be aware that as much as the approach is correct, but it is not the length that we are calculating, but it is the area. So that means the answer has to be in whatever units squared. You got it, Muste Mentlong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the last thing that I wanted us to check, can you verify, can you punch that again to verify if indeed it gives that? Can you just punch it for the last time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll wait for you on that one to punch it. So yeah, it's always the case, Mentlonke. Somehow, if you hear the word volume, whether they say calculate the Mentlonke's volume or whatever the case may be, as long as they said the volume, what we know is that the volume is in cubic units.
Yes,
So
sir. I can calculate.
yeah, you calculated it.
I checked it thrice, sir. It's the same thing.
Same thing. Okay, then it's fine. Maybe let me check. The other honorable members, when you punch that on your calculators, are you getting exactly the same thing? Yebo no maka.
No, sir.
Mendlonke, what is it that you are missing, honorable member? It seems like you substituted correctly, but you are punching it incorrectly. What are you guys getting?
224,31.
Yes, 234,31.
31.
Yeah, Mendlonke, looks like there's something that you are missing there. You've done the most critical work. You've done the most critical work. But only that last part of substituting all of that. And I'm also not sure of where you could be making a mistake. But one thing for sure, this one, yeah, my bones are not agreeing to that one. Yeah, very quickly, just try to punch it again, Mendlonke. I want to be confident that
Sir, I see my mistake.
what did you do?
Okay, so you see 2 pi multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10,4.
Yes.
It's actually 196,04. But originally what I wrote was 206,4.
Okay. So that means you did not punch everything all at once. You did it separately.
Yes, I can see that.
Yeah. No. In terms of mark allocations, trust me, with you writing the correct formula, normally in mathematics, we don't give you marks, but we might give you a mark there, maybe let's say there and there for correct substitution, and then the last mark coming there on the final answer. But to punch that and then separately punch that and add them together, it will increase your chances of making mistakes, just like it did now. So that's why I was saying, rather punch everything at once, then you are done. But otherwise, trust me, Mendlonke, the most critical work which you've already done is that one. Anything else, I wouldn't worry that much. It's just a minor mistake that you made, of which even if it came in exam, chances were 50-50. It's either you would have done it correctly or you would have made that mistake. But it's not like the understanding is there.
Yes, sir.
I'm very much impressed on that one, Mendlonke. So what I'm going to do now, as we conclude, it is to then give you guys an opportunity to work out that one. And then on our next lesson, we will finalize that. Depending on how long it takes, we can still do some more in case if you guys if you'll be able to very quickly work it out. So let's see, any questions on that other one, or are we all on the same page on that other one? Any questions on that other one? Okay, there's someone, Anamapula Letswalo. Ngwana Letswalo. I'm glad you confirmed everything is okay. In that case, I'm going to run away, honorable members. Tay Farah, Shani, Nova 9. No questions for me.
No questions, sir.
No question, okay. Where's Mateiwan? It looks like Mateiwan is gone. Guys, now I'm running away. Dineo Rakululu. Guys, can I run away?
Yes, sir.
I think what you need to do is just to take a screenshot of that. If you take a screenshot before I run away. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much for joining. Trust me when I say, even today, my name starts with a letter D, and I am out. Shokti Senkumile man.